Okay, this person want help with this is your neck exercise. Ne? So you must do some exercises here because you have to strengthen this muscle so that these two things can't come here and look like a chicken neck. Ne? So this is what you need to do. So this is what you can do. Look, you must do it every day. You must do like 100 times, sometimes 300 times. Okay, this is what you do. Up, straight with your neck. I'm not sitting up right now. Because you have to work this muscle. Ne? I do this exercise, my facial exercise. And then you must do all these things with your neck. Ne? But for this, and doesn't matter what creams and stuff that you are gonna put in there. You still have to do the exercise. So do the exercises. I'm also exercising my neck because I must exercise my neck all the time. So start with 100 times and then you go to 200 times and you go per day. Per That's what you do for the next exercises. Ne? The cream, if your neck is in a situation that is like chicken neck, then you start with exercises. Ne?